when you take off drawing your picture, it's very important, or it may be beneficial for you to identify what basic shape you're drawing from with the head. Now, I know I've given you head shapes before, okay? And I'm starting with some of my students, I'm starting to notice that maybe even though that approach with the bullet and the thermometer shape and all that does kind of work, okay? Sometimes it may be better for you to start with, and I'm just going to draw this here while you're doing your caricature. It's going to be better for you to start with this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is an octagon. I like to use these a lot. I find they work a little bit better. And once you start your picture, once you draw this shape, then you use it kind of like almost like what's the word I'm thinking about? A framework almost. And you add to or take away from the shape to create the face. So, for instance, with this face that we're drawing here, and I'm going to do that while you're messing around there. Okay. I might, let me get my pencil out here. Okay. I might, but I might take away here. So this is what I took away. And then I might add here. Okay. And then I might do this here and take away here. So these are like kind of the cutaways of the face.
Thank you.
Okay. Might be a little thick, but we can certainly take some of that away. So I'm just going to do that and leave it here, so that when you finish, you'll see what I'm talking about. And but really, the only place I can see where you had a little bit of offness was the nose, because you see how her nose kind of goes up, right? And you drew the nose kind of doing a down shape like this, right?
Yeah,
So
it's for me, because I know you showed me like the different things of nose, but I don't think you ever showed me like, yeah, the up nose. So I was
okay, let me show you. Let me show you a shape that I came up with here actually recently that also is going to help you out with that. All right, so I'm going to put a mental image in your mind first. Hold on. What does that look like?
T-shirt.
That's exactly what it looks like. Now, watch this. You're gonna take the shirt, and then you see where this drop off is right here. Instead of going down, we're gonna go up with the shirt. Okay. So watch this. I'm gonna draw the top of the shirt, the sides of the shirt, the middle of the shirt, other side of the shirt.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you see how it looks like an upturned nose now? And you can change, you can do the shirt whichever way you want. Now watch how let's do it in a couple of different ways. So let's draw that one first.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to draw it another way. Same concept. Let's draw it that way. Now this one obviously is a long sleeve shirt. But what I did every time is this part right here is going to usually be the colored in part of the nose shape. Okay. You can suggest, now that you understand what the shape is, let's do another one. So let's go this way. All right. And then we'll do one where a guy he's a huge kind of a round guy. So he has big arms and a little belly, and you know what I mean? It's something like that. And it's a short nose. So maybe this guy might look with his T shape like this. All right?
Okay.
So he has little space underneath his arms. So notice that it has 1, 2, 3 extremities. So when you can use this shape for any nose that's upturned. And even if the nose is just not, sometimes you'll have a nose where the nose is either going to be like this, then you'll see somewhere you can use this shape like the t-shirt shape, but you make it where it almost has it just has curves there and it just kind of floats over. So it's kind of a straight shape like that. Okay. So this is the one where the nose is downturned, and obviously when you have a downturned nose, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. You can do like this. You can do like this. You've probably seen people with a nose like that, right? Okay. So you can do all kinds of different ones. Now the nose is going to be the pivotal or point of the picture because it has a great deal to do with what you look like, even though, because it's in the middle of your face. So you always want to make sure that you get that nose shape right. Okay. So 2 things we're going to go over. We're going to go over this, and then also I want to show you how to capture a little bit more emotion in the eyes. Does that make sense what I showed you with the nose so far?
Yes, that's very easy to remember.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.